Hi, Deacon Mark here from Holy Angels Parish in West Bend, Wisconsin. I just had the pleasure of enjoying Mr. Peace's presentation here at Holy Angels School for an all-school assembly. I would absolutely recommend this to schools across the country, anywhere. The message that Mr. Peace presented is one, of course, that Jesus presents to us each and every day, to live like he does, to love like he does, and to forgive like he does. And when we do that, as Mr. Peace pointed out to each of us, when we love each other the way Jesus intended us to love, for who they are, and to love them for what's in their heart and not for what they look like, then we truly become like Jesus, and we follow him and we follow in his footsteps. Mr. Peace teaches us to do that, and through his stories and through his presentation and all of the different kids that he's spoken through over the span of his time doing this in schools, we learn through each of those accounts that he gave us. So it was a beautiful presentation. It truly teaches us how to love and how to treat each other and to see the good in each other and the beauty in each other. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I gave him my blessing. And if anyone else gets a chance to see Mr. Peace's presentation, please do it wherever you can.